Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 4 from chapter 24 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. Okay, we are given the maximum magnetic field strength of an electromagnetic wave, and we need to calculate the maximum electric field if the wave is traveling at 0.75 C. All right, let's write down what we know. We know the maximum magnetic field, we'll call that B naught, is 5 times 10 to the minus 6 Teslas. And we know the speed is 0.75 times C. And we need to find the maximum electric field. All right, well, we know that E divided by B is equal to C. So we will use E divided by B is equal to velocity V. So electric field is the velocity times B. Okay, and so electric field is going to be 0.75 C times B. So electric field is 0.75 times C, which is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, times B, which is 5 times 10 to the minus 6 Teslas. I did that calculation and I got 1125, and we'll use volts per meter. Okay. So to 3 sig figs, we can call it 1.13 times 10 cubed volts per meter. All right. I know we only had 1 sig fig on B naught and 2 on the speed, but typically a physics textbook will use 3 sig figs in a final answer. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions or there are other problems you'd like to see me solve. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.